Things are going good now. You have a stable income. You know which city you want to live in. You're finally looking to settle down. But one decision keeps nagging you. Should I continue to rent? Or should I pay the down payment and buy that house? Some people make this decision simply by comparing their rent to their monthly EMI commitments for a mortgage in order to buy a house. But this method is flawed. You can't simply compare rent, which is the sunk cost, with your EMI, which has two components to it. The first is the principal repayment. This is basically you paying for your home ownership monthly and is not a sunk cost. The second one is interest cost. This is the sunk cost component and you can directly compare it to your rent. However, this is not the only sunk cost with home ownership. There are a couple of other factors to consider. Let us get into what these are and how they affect your decision. Number 1. Interest cost of home loan. As mentioned previously, this sunk cost is simply the interest you pay on your loan. However, do take note that your property will appreciate over time to offset some of this interest cost. For example, if your home loan interest is 8.5%, but the expected appreciation of your house is 5.5%, the net impact will be approximately 3%. Number 2. Taxes and maintenance cost. Typically, you need to pay taxes to own the home and also annual maintenance cost to keep the house in the same condition. These two typically add up to be about 1 to 2% of the property value over time. Hence, the magic formula is continue to rent as long as your rent is less than the sum of the interest cost of the home loan and taxes and maintenance cost. This threshold could be 4 to 5% of your property value depending on specific calculations. If rent rises higher than this 4 to 5% threshold, go ahead and buy your house. It's that simple. Well, nothing in life is that simple, isn't it? Well, of course, this is an oversimplification of a complicated decision. So, we suggest working with a financial or robo-advisor for detailed calculations before you make the decision. You will be able to avail this at Cashvisory very soon. Once you have crossed that bridge and are taking your step into home ownership, log on to cashvisory.com to get your home loans hassle-free.